Good morning, children. So let us continue with this class, that is apostrophe. So we use apostrophe to show possession. You know this. When we show who owns something or has a close relation with something, we use an apostrophe. Okay. So now you see here, today we are going to learn the rules for the use of apostrophe. So remember these rules for the use of apostrophe. First one, you see, singular nouns that do not end with an S. First rule is this, that singular nouns that do not end with an S. Okay. Singular nouns that do not end with an S. Okay, you see here, singular nouns that do not end with an S. You see, you have to keep in mind that we use an apostrophe to show that one person or thing owns or is a member of something. Okay, you have to keep in mind this when you are learning all these rules. That for singular nouns, we are talking that singular nouns that do not end with an S, what we are going to use? We will use apostrophe S. So what we are going to use? You can just in the bracket use apostrophe S. Okay, some examples you see here, it is already given. Maya's car, clown's smile. Then let us write some other examples. Tom's bat, lion's roar. Okay, like Tom's bat, the bat which belongs to Tom. Okay, then these are examples. Then you can say lion's roar, the roar of the lion. Okay. So you see here, singular nouns that do not end with an S, we use apostrophe S. Please see singular nouns that do not end with an S. You see here, Tom. This is not ending with an S. Okay. Lion. This is also not ending with an S. So Tom's bat, lion's roar. Second one, singular nouns that end with S. Singular nouns that end with S. Okay, singular nouns that end with S. Any name you can say, like see here it is given, we have to use apostrophe after the S actually. Okay, like you see here it is given Paras. Paras, after S we are putting an apostrophe. Paras shop. Okay, if I say Lucas book. Okay, see at the end it is ending with S. Here also it is ending with S. Singular nouns that end with S. Okay, now third rule. Plural nouns that do not end with an S. Plural, there are some nouns like you see with the help of examples. Plural nouns that do not end with S. Okay, that with an S. Plural nouns that do not end with an S. Okay, now please see. Use apostrophe S. See, here also please follow this. Use apostrophe S. Here singular nouns were there. And here we are talking about plural nouns. Okay. If a plural noun does not end in S, add an apostrophe to create the possessive form. We will add an apostrophe here to create the possessive form. Okay. Like you see men's shoes, oxen's horns. You can other examples will write. Children's books. Children's books. Okay, now you see children. This is already plural. The word children is a plural word. Now it is not ending in S. So we are using, after the plural form, we are using apostrophe S. Children's books. Women's sarees. Women's. It is also ending with N. Women's sarees. Okay. Please keep in mind all these things. Now the fourth rule is this, that the plural nouns that end with an S. With an S. Okay, so you see here the third rule, plural nouns that do not end with an S. Okay, the words are plural but they don't end with S. And this one, plural nouns that end with S, with an S. Okay, so there are some ones. Okay, first where we will use apostrophe. Okay, after actually the S, the meaning is some example. Like if I say you parents. Parents, see here parents, this is a plural noun. It is ending with S. Parents. So if I say you parents bedroom. Okay, parents bedroom. Okay, this is already say plural ending with S. Okay, plural nouns that end with an S. Okay, plural nouns. If I say you this students, if I say you students. In a class there are many students, isn't it? In a class there are many students. Students bags. Okay, students bags. That means the bags which are belonging to the students. So students bags. See students already this is a plural noun. Students we are using because students bags. The bags which are belonging to the students. Here you see parents bedroom. The bedroom which belongs to the parents. Okay. Okay children, just go through these rules. Remember these rules for the use of apostrophe. Okay. Singular nouns that do not end with an S, singular nouns that end with S, plural nouns that do not end with an S, and plural nouns that end with an S. You have to keep in mind where to use these words in your sentences. Okay, just go through the rules. Remember these rules for the use of apostrophe. Just go through this. Okay, thank you.